A few days ago, this was nothing but rough concrete. Now, our Thailand retirement kitchen is finally starting to take shape. But getting to this point wasn't as straightforward as I expected. Let's start at the beginning. So my next project in this kitchen build is to do the floor. So I've got to work out the levels, work out where I'm going to start, and I'm not really looking forward to it because it's not good for my knees or my back, but I'll take my time. But my task for today is to take this motorbike into the town and renew the tax. This is the tax disc like you have in England. It has to be renewed every year. So it's my task for today is to take this into the town. It's about 15 kilometers away. So in this little shack here, they provide a service of completing all the steps necessary to renew the tax disc. They take the bike next door, which is next door here, the government building, and they get it MOT'd, and then they sort out all the documents for insurance. They don't speak any English, but I get my wife to call them on the phone. So they charge about 100 baht for their service, but I think it's well worth it. Well, I've got the tax. This will last me till next year. So the total cost, which includes insurance, the MOT, this insurance, which cost me an extra 100 baht, it covers myself, so the total cost is 770 baht. What a bargain. So these are the tiles that we chose. They're porcelain tiles and they should have been 349 baht per square meter, but we got 25% off. For 25 square meters, it worked out 6,500 baht. So I don't know the best way to approach this task of setting out, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to have this parallel to this wall here. So it's straight parallel to the wall. I'm going to have half a cut here, so because the wall is out. So what I'm going to do is put these bars to the height I want the screed to finish at, and then I can put the tiles on top of the screed using tile adhesive. That is my plan, so we'll see how we get on. So these are the tools I shall be using to do the job. Got a small angle grinder to cut the tiles. It's got a nice diamond blade. I'm going to use these leveling wedges and spacers. I've never used them before, but they seem to be very popular, so I thought I'd give it a try. I got a tape measure. I bought a suction cup handle, which I've never used before and will be very useful. This tool here is to tighten the wedges and the spacers. Got myself a rubber mallet, pointing trowel, normal trowel, and a notched, half-inch notched trowel. I got a spirit level, and the most important tool I've got is this laser level. It's going to be very useful to make sure that everything stays at the same level. things are progressing. I'm quite happy with how it's turning out so far. The wedges and the spacers seem to be doing what they're supposed to do, and I'm quite happy. I've got this section here to do next. Then I'll be putting the tiles on this section here. But as we're living in rural Thailand, we do come across some quite scary surprises at times. And when I came back from the builder shop, I did have a bit of a surprise. It was a bit of a shock when I first saw him writhing about on our concrete. I sat watching him for about 10 minutes. I wasn't sure what he was trying to do. Looked like he was trying to make a hole underneath this concrete here. But then I realised that he was after this frog or toad. So I've since found out that it's an oriental rat snake. They are actually protected by the government, so you cannot kill them. But I'm sure he's friendly enough for us, and we're quite happy to have him living alongside us on our land. Loyal friend. Follows me everywhere. It's Venus, Jupiter, and you can just see Mercury. Stars at night. I had a dilemma on what to do about this drain. I need access to it because it does get blocked, so I need to rod it. So I bought this cover, and now I need to install that into the tile. Well, I'm on the final leg of my kitchen tiling job. Just got these cuts to do, and job's a good one. I decided to take up the tiles that were there originally because I just could not make it look right. There's different levels, different tiles, so I took them out. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a bit. 6 and a bit tiles to do, and they're all cuts. And a little bit of concrete in just over there. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. Well, I finally got my project done. So, how did the project go? Overall, I'm very happy. Come out looking good. Not perfect, but I'm very happy with the result. So, how much did I spend? Well, I bought 1 cubic meter of sand, which is 560 baht. I bought 4 bags of cement, which is 600 baht. And I bought 14 bags of tile adhesive, which is 1,920 baht. So the total I spent was just under 10,000 baht to lay this floor. Porcelain tiles. The actual tiles were 6,786 baht because we got a 2,268 baht discount. So, what about my tools? I bought this tool here to pick the tiles up, which was very useful, but 80% of the time the suction cups would fail. So I was never 100% confident picking up the tile using this. So the idea is good, but I think I would get a better quality one next time. For these clips, these wedges, the system is very good. It works well, but I bought cheap ones from Shopee. So these were from Shopee, they're only cheap, and they don't break off. When you're finished, you're supposed to just tap them and they break, it's clear. But these ones don't. So I had to get a standing knife around every single clip to cut them out. And it's not very easy, and also sometimes it'd leave a bit of plastic on the top. But apart from that, everything went well. Got my drain there sorted, and next step is to put some skirting on, some trim around the doors and windows, and the job's a good one. Okay, so if you enjoy that, if you like seeing my lifestyle in Thailand as I'm retired now, and you want to see my next DIY projects, click a like, click a subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to have any particular video of Thailand life, let me know and I will see what I can do. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.